Where did dinosaurs come from? Friends, about 230 million years ago, the Earth was completely different. At that time, there were no humans, no modern animals, and no familiar trees. The Earth had only one giant continent, which scientists call Pangaea. This continent was full of forests, swamps, and huge mountains. During those times, a strange transformation was taking place on Earth. The old reptiles, called archosaurs, began to evolve into new forms. This was the same family from which crocodiles and birds later emerged. But from this family, a new group appeared, and that was the dinosaurs. In the beginning, these dinosaurs were not very big. For example, Eoraptor and Herrerasaurus were only 2 to 3 meters long. But with the passage of time, they developed so much that they became the largest animals on Earth. This evolutionary journey continued for millions of years. Some dinosaurs grew long necks so they could reach the highest branches of trees. Some developed sharp teeth and strong jaws to hunt other animals. In this way, nature made them capable of ruling the Earth. Where did dinosaurs live? When dinosaurs first appeared on Earth, they were not limited to just one region. Since the Earth at that time had only one supercontinent, they spread all over the world. Some dinosaurs lived in dense forests where giant trees rose to the skies. Some settled in dry desert-like regions. Others spent their lives near rivers and lakes. As time passed, the continent Pangaea broke apart into different pieces: Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Americas. That is why today we find dinosaur fossils all around the world. How many types of dinosaurs were there? This question is both interesting and surprising. So far, scientists have discovered about 1,000 species of dinosaurs, but in reality, their number could be in the thousands. They are generally divided into two major groups. Saurischia. This group included either large carnivorous hunters like T-Rex and Velociraptor, or the long-necked giant herbivores like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus. Ornithischia. This group mostly consisted of herbivores, such as the horned Triceratops, the armored Ankylosaurus, and the duck-billed Hadrosaurus. Some dinosaurs were as small as a chicken, while others were so huge that their weight exceeded 100 tons and their length reached 30 to 35 meters. In other words, they were among the largest creatures ever to walk the earth. What did dinosaurs eat? Dinosaurs' diets depended on their body structure. Carnivores. These dinosaurs had sharp teeth and powerful jaws. The most famous among them was the T-Rex, whose bite force was many times stronger than that of today's lions or crocodiles. It hunted both small and large animals. Herbivores. Long-necked dinosaurs like Brachiosaurus ate several tons of leaves and grass every day. Their teeth were broad and designed for chewing plants. Omnivores. Some dinosaurs ate both meat and plants. Scientists discovered details about their diets from fossils and fossilized droppings, known as coprolites. What threats did dinosaurs face? Although dinosaurs were the rulers of the earth, they still faced dangers. Large predatory dinosaurs attacked smaller or weaker ones. Herds of herbivorous dinosaurs often gathered together to protect each other. But the real threat wasn't only from predators. Nature itself was a challenge for them. Volcanic eruptions, heavy storms, droughts, and changes in the environment often affected their survival. How did dinosaurs go extinct? This is one of the greatest mysteries of Earth. The most widely accepted theory is that about 66 million years ago, a giant asteroid struck the Earth. The impact occurred in today's Mexico, at the site known as the Chicxulub crater. The collision shook the planet. Earthquakes, tsunamis, and massive fires broke out. The atmosphere was filled with so much dust and ash that sunlight could no longer reach the Earth's surface. First, plants died. Then the plant-eating dinosaurs, who depended on them, perished. Finally, the carnivores began to starve. In this way, an entire world disappeared within just a few thousand years. Are dinosaurs still alive today? You may be surprised to hear this, but dinosaurs did not completely vanish. Yes, according to scientists, birds are actually the descendants of small feathered dinosaurs. Chickens, pigeons, eagles, and even ostriches all are modern-day dinosaurs. If you carefully observe a chicken, you'll see that its claws and bone structure closely resemble those of many dinosaurs. What does science say about dinosaurs today? In the world of science, dinosaurs are still one of the most fascinating topics. Modern research has revealed that many dinosaurs had feathers, which means they were much closer to birds. Through computer simulations, scientists are recreating how dinosaurs walked, ran, and even how they might have sounded. Every year, new fossils are discovered around the world, adding to our knowledge. Dinosaurs teach us that no creature can remain the ruler of the earth forever. Nature is always changing, and only those species survive that can adapt to these changes. White heavy check marks. So friends, this was the complete story of the dinosaurs, from their arrival to their extinction. They were not just terrifying creatures, but one of the most magnificent chapters in Earth's history.